We're continuing on with this solving trigonometric equations. I did a few examples here. For cosine, say you have the cosine of theta equals 2 over 3. You just go shift cosine of 2 over 3 and it gives you 48.19. The other answer is negative 48.19, and it's plus k times 360 because it repeats itself every 360 degrees. What about this one? Well, you'd go shift cosine of a half, and it tells you it's 60, but it's plus or minus 60. But this one is 2 theta. You got to divide everything by 2, and that's why you get this k times 180 business. And 60 divided by 2 is 30, plus or minus 32 different answers. But this one, now you got to be a little careful. You go shift cosine of 2 over 5, you get 66.42 and negative 66.42. Those are your two answers for what theta plus 30 equals. But when you take away 30 from 66, you get 36,42. But if you take away 30 from negative 66, you're going to get negative 96. So you got to be careful there. There's two separate answers for that. But what happens if we have tangent? What happens if we have tangent? Well, let's take a look at this. If you have this question, tangent theta equals root 3 over 3, and you were asked to find the general solution. Well, you could get one answer by going shift tan of root 3 over 2, and you ask your calculator, and your calculator tells you, hey, 30 degrees works for that fraction. Okay, you got one answer. But the thing with tangent, we know that we get the same answer if I have a reference of an angle of 30 degrees here. The reference angle is 30 right here. You've got exactly the same answer right here. And that's 210 plus 30, or sorry, 180 plus 30 is 210 degrees. So if I add 180, I get the same answer. In fact, if I take away 180, I get exactly to the same place. Any multiple of 180 degrees gets me to the same place. So tangent's a little simpler. We just have the angle plus every 180 degrees, k times 180, k is the counting number. There's your general solution for tangent. And that's it for the general solution for tangent. Okay, I'm trying to turn things off, but I'm pushing the wrong buttons.